everyone, yes, I'm back with another vlog, and for today's video, I will be making do-it-yourself easy and quick scrunchies even without sewing machine. Since hair scrunchies are back on trend, here are the materials you'll need. The first thing you'll do is to fold the cloth in half, and please make sure it's even. Next, mark 2 inches from the edge of the cloth and do this also on the other side. Then, start ka mag-stitch from mark to mark. Make sure na may seam allowance bago magtahe, and it should be 1/4 inch. And you can start just a simple running stitch. And when you're done, make sure na flat yung cloth and yung tahe dapat hindi mahigpit. Then, buhol lang siya ng 2 beses. Next, get your chopstick or kahit ano stick na pwedeng pampasok dun sa cloth. You can just use stick or pen. Ganyan na yung magiging itsura niya, and make sure na yung 2 harap ng cloth are facing to each other. Then tahi lang ulit, running stitch with 1/4 seam allowance. After nun, diba may natirang butas, hihilain mo siya palabas, and that's the time na babaligtarin mo na siya. Ilagay yung 2 safety pin sa magkabilang dulo ng garter. Ikabit yung isang safety pin doon sa cloth, at yung isa naman yung magiging way para makapasok yung garter sa loob. After that, tanggalin na yung safety pins and ibuhol yung garter ng mahigpit. Just to make sure, buhulin ulit yung garter and putulin yung excess. So, yung butas na yan, i-fold mo ng 1/4 inch paloob yung gitna, and then put straight pin. Start na ulit mag-stitch, dun ka magsimula sa dulo ng butas. Since ayaw natin makita yung stitches sa labas, use ladder stitch para invisible lang siya. Then, pag natapos mo na, make sure na itago mo din yung buhol. Remove the straight pin and ayusin yung cloth. And we're done! So that's it, guys! Tapos na ang ating do-it-yourself scrunchies! Pwede nyo siyang gawin since quarantine ngayon at wala kayong magawa sa bahay. Sobrang dali lang. Kahit walang sewing machine, makakagawa kayo at pwede nyo siyang i-pair sa kung anong damit na gusto nyo. Basta maghanap kayo ng kahit anong tela na pwede nyo gawing